Hi guys, I'm Mark Anthony from MacLab Academy. So I want to welcome you to my screen once again. And in today's class, we're going to be building a game using App Creator 24. All right. So this is a very easy to do process. All right. So I'll be walking you through that process. If you have followed me from day one of this master class, this should be something very easy for you to do. But if you have not followed me from day one, then I would recommend that you go ahead and watch our previous videos so that you can understand the whole process before you can jump on this. But trust me, this is a very simple process. All right. So don't forget to also like this video, and of course drop comments if you have any questions that you might need to ask. You might like to drop comments on this very on the comment section of this very video. And of course, if you have not subscribed, please, I would like you to subscribe so that you get more videos like this. All right. Thank you, and let's go. So I'll go to this is my phone screen, so I'll quickly go to the Chrome browser, open up my app24.com, and I'm going to go to, I think, let me start from the scratch. I'm going to create app. All right, remember we want to create a game app, so I'm going to name this. I already know the game I want to create, so I'm going to name this a puzzle game. I'm going to say Mac Puzzle. All right, you can go ahead and name yours what you want it to be. So I already have a design that I need for it, so I'm going to just go ahead and select this for the puzzle game. So I'm going to write it demo. This is the description now. Demo puzzle game. All right, so I'm going to go to next. Once I click on next, it's loading up. So I'm going to wait for it. So I'm going to select what best suits me. I think I'm going for this black. Okay, so I'm going to go to next. And for this menu, I don't need it to be any of these options. All right, so I'm going to go to this very below. All right, this very close to this black back button. I'm going to create an empty app, so I'm going to create it. So it says I should go to app manager to, okay, I'm going back to the app manager. So this is it. So I won't want to download it now. Download it maybe when I'm done doing some of the settings. All right, so the first place I would like to go is on the section. I'll go to the section, I'll create section, and come over to this place called games. All right, so it will allow me to select the game that I want to build. So I'll go to this place and select, since it's a puzzle game, as you can see, we have lots of game here that you can publish, and you can decide to even publish multiple games. All right, you can decide to publish multiple games in one app so that users can actually gain access to multiple games. But I choose to publish just one for now, all right, for the purpose of this tutorial. But you can go ahead and publish more than one, or select more than one game in your app. All right, so but it depends on what you want to do with it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and select on Jewel's block puzzle. So I'm selecting it now. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do the setup. Now, leaderboard, if I'm going to click yes on this leaderboard, that means it's going to require me to do sign up. All right. But if I say no to that, that means users does not need to sign up. So I can also go to this place and say no. Then once any user selects this, they are going to play. Sorry, once any user installs my game, they are going to continue to play the game without having to sign up for any single thing. All right, so I just want it to be like that. But if you want users to sign up so that the scoreboard or the leader scoreboard will show, all right, you can also click on yes. All right, so that users can score. The reason for this in some games is that people would like to know if they are the highest scorers, all right, if they have scored the highest in the game. So you might want to also add that feature. But if you don't want to add that feature, you want users to just open your game and start playing it without getting any of the details, you can as well do that. So I'm going to just name the section Mac Games. All right, Mac Games. And because I want it to be a very simple process, I'm going to go ahead and just save it. All right. So since I've saved it, I'm going to go to the design. I'm going to work on the menu type. Of course, I don't want any menu for this. So I'm going to take out the menu and I'm going to save it. I just want this game to play straight up. Of course, we don't need a bottom um, icon or whatever. So, let's go to main icon. Okay, this is the main icon. I think I've selected it. So I'm going to just go and save it and boom. Okay, I'm just going to save it. I think we are not making any changes. But let me just select it. Okay, so I'm done with the changes that I need to make. So I'll go ahead and download this app. I'll go ahead and download this app. So it's downloading right now. Once it's done, I'm going to install it and play it for you to see. All right, this is a very, very simple process, and trust me, you can begin to develop your app instantly, and instantly you start making your own. Once you publish it, you start making your own money as soon as people get begins to see the app and begins to install that. All right, so that's what we are going to be doing. All right, so I'm going to go over to this place and install anyway. All right, so it's installing. So let's just wait for it. All right. So actually beyond, I know some people might be asking the question, beyond the apps that are made available, I mean the games that are made available in this app Creator 24, can you also get other apps? The answer is yes. All right, but that will be a story for another day. There is a way you can actually get some other apps that are not available in this app 24 and get them integrated into your own app. All right, so but I'll be doing that using another um, app creator. All right, it's not going to be app creator 24. So I'll just, but of course, you can still implement that same method on your app24.com, all right, platform. You can also use AI to do some beautiful, beautiful things, all right, but that will be for the next listing. But you can also implement the same process. It's just the same process, all right. So let me go ahead and open this, all right. All right, so as simple as this. So once you open it, it shows us this. So our game is automatically loading. So I'm going to tap here and click on play. As you can see, it's as simple as that. It's very simple. All right. So go ahead and tell me what you think about this lovely game. And of course, I want you to replicate a game like this and submit that to me so that I will score you. All right. So if you have enjoyed this class, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And of course, if you have questions, don't forget to drop your questions, and I'll be glad to answer all of your questions. All right. So thank you so much for joining this very short class. And we'll continue again tomorrow. And trust me, tomorrow we have a lot more to come. All right. Thank you so much for staying tuned to this moment. We'll see you tomorrow. I believe that tomorrow I'm going to blow your mind the more. All right. So thank you so much, guys. See you.